G'day YouTube. Today the Nintendo Switch 2 came out, so I shall unbox it. This is not everything I ordered, but it hasn't all arrived yet. I ordered this stupid camera, even though it looks awful, just so I could have more things for the video. And I got a 1TB micro SD express card. I would have bought it from a better brand if they had them in stock. So I didn't know what brand this was, but apparently it's EB Games brand. But the main thing is the Nintendo Switch 2 with the Mario Kart bundle. I haven't watched any unboxings or stuff, so this is my first time seeing it. I pre-ordered on launch day. I mean, not launch day, that'd be terrible. I pre-ordered on the day of the Nintendo Switch 2 Direct, where everyone kept whinging about the price.
Oh, I know math is hard when you're an idiot, but like if you're a broke boy, just say so.
Please don't yell at me, that was a joke. Because pre-orders in Australia were significantly earlier than America. Trying to not destroy the box because of aesthetics. Okay. There's the Nintendo Switch 2 compared to the OLED. Yep, that looks significantly bigger. Here's a new Joy-Con, which doesn't have much color. There's the other Joy-Con. The black looks sleek and cool, but also I would rather have more color. I guess this is the special Mario Kart bundle part, I would assume. Okay, I'll try and censor the code. Although there won't be much point if I really use it. Mario Kart World Bundle. A HDMI cord. A strap. And another strap. This is the Joy-Con 2 grip. Better get out the dog. Looks strange. Smells very plasticky, which makes sense. Probably wasn't supposed to do a smell test, but oh well. A USB Type-C cable and a charging brick. I guess the smell test was helpful for the 1% that are curious what it smells like. Get it out of the bag. I also ordered a case, which hasn't arrived. And the case is supposed to include a screen protector, which I will struggle to put on, and it won't be even. The Joy-Con's now magnetic. Okay, that went kind of well. I should unbox my 1TB micro SD express card. It's not as fast as I'd like, but I can buy a different one later. Okay. Apparently it includes an adapter to make it a full-sized SD card, which I'll never use because I need it to be micro SD. Why is this so hard to open? Oh. Okay. The box didn't say the full read and write speeds, it just says 800 megabytes. Focus. I assume the SD card slot is in the dock area. Oh, there it is. Okay. I guess now I'll turn it on. Actually, maybe I'll open the other stuff. Like this camera that's terrible resolution and also pointless. If I was not making a video, I would not have bought this. The piranha plant one looks better, but that's even worse resolution. And if it's already bad, you don't want it to be worse. I might just use that as a regular USB Type-C cable. Because this camera is dumb. I guess it has a shutter for privacy and stuff. Although who's really hacking your Nintendo Switch webcam thing? Okay, apparently my recording was paused, so I'm trying to recreate the unboxing for the Pro Controller 2. Oh wow. Okay, yeah, there's a charging cable for it and stuff. Setup. English UK/Australia, Australia/New Zealand. I definitely read that important information. And I'll certify it's connected. System update data will now be installed. Downloaded. Sydney/Melbourne. You can use the Switch to a variety of playstyles that suit where and how you like to play. Sitting down, still sitting down. But I guess tabletop mode, handheld mode, docked mode. You can add the stand. So You can adjust the stand so that you see the screen from your preferred angle when playing tabletop mode. Try adjusting the stand now. Detach the right Joy-Con from the console. Detach the left Joy-Con from the console. Okay, that was kind of hard. But also I was trying to do it one-handed without holding the other for support. Select the next with these has Joy-Con 2 controllers. You can play connected to a TV and laser. You can now use the accessories that came with the console. You can now switch between play modes, the style you prefer. Installing update. I guess while I wait for the update, this is the strap. This is also a strap for the other side. Those are some massive bezels, so even though it's bigger, the screen doesn't seem that much bigger. Update complete. To Nintendo Switch console owners, you can now transfer data from a Nintendo Switch console to this Nintendo Switch 2 console. Begin system transfer. Yes. Sign into your account. This is gonna take a while. System transfer complete. Software will be downloaded later. The same theme as the one you were using on the source console will be applied. Setup complete. Now you can press the home button to open the home menu. Okay. If only they added more themes. I better get the new Mario Kart. Enter your pins. Okay, well apparently Mario Kart World's gonna take over 2 hours to download. It's pretty bad. Nabbit, Piranha Plant, Dry Bones. I usually play as King Boo in Mario Kart. I guess I have to unlock him. Well, everybody cares the most about Cal. Okay, I didn't time it right to get the speed boost. I think 24 races is a bit much. For this race. Okay, at least I'm coming second. And now first. Okay, final lap. As long as there's no blue shell, I should be okay. Then again, Bullet Bill and Star is useful to catch up quickly. Okay, I've won my first race. Should you buy the Nintendo Switch 2? Sure, if you want it, I guess. I'm not gonna be deep or anything. Okay, bye, that's the end of the video. Unfortunately, my case hasn't arrived, so that won't be in the video. Bye.